Might as well get some photo proof for the boys while I'm here. Not doing anything wrong, just looking for a signal. Definitely not zooming in to see if you're wearing underpants. Some from the back. And don't forget the rack. Damn it! If Francine finds out I crashed because I was rubbernecking, I'm a dead man!
Ah! My back hurts, and I used to have a great back! What the hell were you looking at?
Nothing. I must have lingered on a blink.
Are you okay? Do you need help?
Get out of here! You've done enough!
Nice.
Oh my God, what happened to you?